Hi, I am Pooja Oke. I am a dietitian as well as nutritionist by profession. I am a diet counselor. I know that all are taking care about their immunity so that they are not affected any type of infection such as COVID-19. But today my video is dedicated to people who are suffering from COVID-19 or who are recovered from COVID-19. I will give some dietary guidelines. I will give some dietary tips which is really helpful to COVID-19 suffering patient as well as a recovered patient. Often or all times, if a patient is recovered, still they have symptoms such as fatigue, such as dry mouth, such as sleeplessness or any type of symptoms. They feel fatigue, they have some type of dizziness, they feel dry mouth, or they feel lack of appetite. In often or more type, but not all the patients are suffering that type of symptoms. But today's my video is dedicated to people who are suffering from that type of symptoms still after recovery or still suffering from COVID-19. Remember that your food is medicine when you are ill, so take your food in medicine type of form. Means you have a proper knowledge about food when you are ill, or when you are infected, or when you are a severe type of infection such as COVID-19. In COVID-19, these are the any type of infection, not also the COVID-19. Our body getting three phases. First one is acute phase, second one is a stable phase, third one is a recovery phase. First one is acute phase. If a person is healthy, strong, they are not needed any more calories, not needed to doubling their calories. But if a patient is weak, they are undernourished, then the doubling the calories is very essential at that time, because in that severe type of infection, the patient goes the malnutrition. They monitor their weight. If they are losing weight, as much time they are the losing weight, or they are deficient some vitamins which is very essential to build your immunity. So patient must keeping watching their weight, and as well as they monitor their deficiency of some vitamins. That's why I'm telling that in that period you must focus on your diet also, and you must focus on their medication which is prescribed by your physician. So I am talking about the first phase, means acute phase. In acute phase, if a person is healthy, then do not doubling their calories, still going on their normal diet. But in that type of diet, they must be include the protein serving of every meal. They include the protein, one serving of protein, one serving of carbohydrate, included all colored vegetables. Dark colored vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, as well as antioxidant, which is very needful to recover any type of infection, which is also build our immunity. Then they are not needed any extra calories in acute and stable phase, but when they are coming in recovery phase, they needed extra calories, extra protein for healing process. And at the time their hypermetabolism condition starts, so that they needed extra amount of carbohydrate, extra amount of protein. At that time they only focus on protein, they did not focus on carbohydrate. But a good amount of complex carbohydrate is very essential at that time. A good amount of complex carbohydrate containing fiber, containing any type of vitamins. These are water soluble vitamins, they are needed for your recurring phase. So you will take the complex carbohydrate wisely. These are very essential for the protein sparking effect, so that along with the protein you must needed a complex carbohydrate. Protein are very essential for building our cells, for fighting our any type of infection, for build up our immunity, and any other many functions of protein. So that you must needed a protein. A good quality protein is come from egg, fish, chicken. They are non-veg sources, means animal sources. Protein gives a high biological value protein. They are very essential, they are very helpful, because they contain the high biological value protein, and they are a primary source of protein, and they are the good amount of protein. They are good sources of protein. Another vegetarian proteins such as dal and legumes, nuts and seeds. They are the secondary proteins and they are not a high biological value protein. So a person is a vegetarian, so wisely choose your protein sources. It comes from the any type of lentils, dals such as besan chila, or such as green grams, arhar, all type of the legumes and dals, which is you must watch which is best source of protein, and get the help your dietitian as well as the doctor to prepare your diet plan. Diet is very essential to recovery phase. Colored vegetables are actually very helpful to get recover fast, because they contain the all type of vitamins, minerals as well as fiber, and they are essential for our body, and they are very essential to build up our immunity, as well as some seeds such as flax seeds, sesame seeds, such as pumpkin seeds. These are the zinc. These are containing zinc, selenium, which is also necessary for build up our immunity and fight against the any type of infection such as the COVID-19. If you want to recover fast, then you will must be focused on diet as well as medication which is prescribed by your physician. After you recover, also you take care about your diet, because this type your symptoms are not severe, but mild symptoms is also present in that time. So you must be taking protein rich diet. Whenever you want to eat, you eat, but it maybe you feel hungry, you eat. You don't focus on lunch, breakfast or dinner. Your food is well nourished and good amount of protein, vitamins and minerals. You must include 1 serving of protein in each your diet. Take 6 meals per day. Take a fluid which is comes from any probiotics. We know that the probiotics containing any living microflora or microorganism bacteria, which is very helpful to treat our healthy gut of our bacteria, so that they are 70 to 80% immunity is come from healthy gut. So you needed the probiotics such as yogurts, dahi. You buy from any supermarket, or you also prepare at your home, so which is very essential at that time. And so the protein supplements also, you can take these vitamin supplements. Even that if you are not feeling hungry, your meal replacement can be supplemented, but you must be talk with your dietitian, talk with your doctor, which is guide you properly, so that you not getting malnourished or not deficiency, any type of deficiency disorders. If a person is well nourished or a very strong nutritious habit, they are recovered fastly than any other malnourished person or weak person. So if a person is facing problem of lung disease, so you must taking care about your diet, so that your diet must be included less amount of carbohydrate and high amount of good fat. It comes from good fat such as the coconut, MCT, medium chain triglyceride or omega. People are suffering from COVID-19, they are suffer the problem of shortness of breathing. At that time, you must focus on frequently small 6 meals per day instead of getting 3 large heavy meals such as breakfast, lunch and dinner. Don't focus on that and take 6 large meals frequently, but in small portion, and stay healthy. Feel your body and nourish your body. Whenever you eat snack or any type of meal, it must be protein rich, or it must be vitamins and all type of vegetables and fruits such as kiwi, citrus fruits, all colored vegetables included in that plate, so that your body get nourished and you will soon recover fast from that symptoms. As well as the patient which is suffering from COVID-19 or suffer from the dry mouth, in that case you frequently wash your mouth, as well as frequently drink water, or drink any buttermilk or any fluid such as soup, broth, etc. Or you can also buy a sugar-free chewing gum, which is in that process your saliva is rotated on your mouth, so you feel moisty. So take a sugar-free chewing gum and chew it. It is really helpful to dry mouth. So the patient which is suffering from COVID-19 must focus on diet, because the diet is medicine when you are suffering from any type of infection. And the COVID-19 infection is very it's a very dangerous type of infection, but people are which is suffering from that type of infection, they are recovered and get well soon fastly because of the diet or our immune system, because our Indians immune system very strong than any other countries such as America, China. Our Indian people are very strong, our immune system is very strong other than country, so that always keep your immune system strong by getting citrus foods, all type of dark colored vegetables. Don't skip carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate. Our diet is very nutritious. Our ancients when they eat their food, they are also very nourishable and very nutritious than ours. So take all balanced diet to in your food, in your meal, and focus on your medication as well as your diet also. Live a stress free and take a sleep and stress which is correlated, and they are key of good hormone relation, so that if your hormone is good, so you are also feeling better and you will get soon fast. So that these are the indirectly affect your body, indirectly affect your any type of infection. So you want to recover this type of infection fastly, so focus on your diet, focus on your protein supplements, focus on your all type of vitamins, minerals, and keep monitor your weight, watch your weight, that your body will not get on malnourished, as well as you are not deficient any type of deficiency disorder. So that these are the some dietary tips which is I share which is really helpful to getting recovered from the COVID-19, as well as which people who are recovered from that COVID-19 infection. So keep watching and share this as much as possible, because this is very important nowadays. A lot of people are suffering from that infection, and this is a common things for us, because now everywhere is a COVID-19 infection spread all over India. So that the focus as much as possible and stay hydrated, get a nourishment your body, build up your immunity, and focus on your diet, and take a sleep which is very helpful to your body and fight against any type of infection such as coronavirus. Thank you so much for watching.